Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about how to generate the SSH key. Now let me copy this and open the terminal. Just hit enter. You can type your email and this is the algorithm name. This is the command. Just type the algorithm name and then hit enter. Here it will generate the SSH key .ssh folder. I will show you. Let me show you. Go to here. Type Control H. It will show you all the hidden files. Inside this you will go to .ssh. Now try to generate. If I press hit enter, now my SSH key has been generated. I can see here this is the public and this is the private key. Now SSH key has been generated. Now I have to connect with GitHub. GitHub is the platform where we can host our repositories. We can create new repositories. Okay, so we have to connect with our terminal with this GitHub. So just go to here in the setting, go to SSH and GPG keys, add the new SSH. Here you can type the name Neetesh Gupta 12 key. I am typing like this. Now here I have to type the key. So just go to .sh folder, ls, and print get.public. It will print here key. Just copy this key and just paste it here. Add SSH. Will ask you for password. Now it has added this key. Okay, so now I have successfully configured this to GitHub. How you can check? Just use this command ssh -t. It will show you. Just type here. For the first time it will ask only. Just type yes, hit enter. Hi Neetesh Gupta, you have successfully authenticated, but GitHub does not provide the cell access. If you see this message, then you have successfully configured. Now for the next time, if you type, it will not ask you this thing that we did yes previously. See, you have successfully authenticated. Okay, so in this way, you can just connect to the GitHub. That's it for this video. Thank you.